Door removal time. Bye-bye, door. Quick release. Is that light in the way, Paul?
No.
The light used to be on the other side, and well, you relocated it, didn't you?
I don't think so.
I guess the electrician did, and I simply screwed it in.
I'm up to 125 sit-ups a day.
Are you?
And 40 on the wheel.
Really?
That's a true story. I go see a chiropractor every month.
Oh my goodness.
Plus I do plus. Over 2 years.
Yeah.
I know.
Good for you.
I have a 4-pack.
Yeah?
Not quite a 6-pack.
Oh, okay.
You understand what I mean?
Yes, I have a beer belly. So, don't be jealous now. The doorknob and deadbolt are fairly new, so we're just going to put them on the new door for now.
There's nothing.
Everything? All the way down?
That's why I just got them.
What's holding the threshold? Nothing, huh?
Just wedge.
Check that out.
So. Oh shit.
You're trying to save that?
Well, my construction company is called Gentle Demo.
That's right. Okay.
This one feels lighter. Yours getting stronger. Yeah. Oh, there.
There she comes.
No idea what was.
Take the shims out. Medicare covers it. We got the key fob, we can go anytime. But,
Everything else. C, D, E. We all can. Here, hold this thing for me.
oh, I got a job. Okay.
That's plumb level.
Well, that's good news.
That's real good news.
So the house hasn't shifted?
That's perfect.
All right.
Mikey likes that. Oh, fuck.
What? Not right, huh?
No, it is.
Oh. See if this thing fits. How about that? Plug and play.
Almost. Come here and hold this.
Okay. On the outside.
Just
I
one
got it.
hand is fine. Just to let it fall.
Sky, what you doing? You want to step over the new threshold? This is the docky door for you. I let go. Is that okay?
Yeah. Okay, yeah, hold it right there.
Yep. So what would you call that? Just like a mud plate or something, or?
Anyhow, we can make that work somehow.
Okay.
We'll probably have to rip the back side of this off.
What material is it?
This is Trex.
Oh,
Actually.
okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
like decking material,
exactly.
composite.
Very much.
Very, very waterproof because, you know, it gets wet here. So I'm hanging onto the door frame while Paul gets the caulking gun ready, and we'll take her from there. It's light. This will help seal it
Waterproof.
from water intrusion. That looks pretty darn right on.
It is.
Jeez. So you use at least one longer screw.
You should put one in each hinge,
Okay.
and that way you don't have to, or I don't nail them.
I guess you don't want to
Voila.
pull it beyond, you don't want to bend the structure, right? Because it could put the door out of alignment.
Yeah, so that's what you originally check it,
Yeah,
and it was,
pretty close.
yeah, it was dead on.
Wow, looks pretty darn good to me. A few adjustments. Uh-oh, a hammer's coming. Shim is in order. I need to come in.
Oh. That's so close.
Just try it.
That's good. I like it.
Yeah, one more time. One more time.
Really?
We bottomed out.
That's good. Go ahead and put that screw back in.
The top one?
Yeah. That's so close.
Is that top needs going?
No, is the bottom needs to go in. I don't think I have one in there. That's
The bottom needs to go in?
yeah, so it'll pull the door down just a tad.
Gotta hold the door in place, huh?
Okay, good. I like it. I like it. It's perfect.
Nice.
Voila. Come on in. You got screws in each one.
No, I gotta put the one back.
Let me put a shut back there before you shut that in. Alright, wait. Where are you? Okay, right there.
Yeah, I gotta shut the door.
Perfect.
I'll need to protect the door from the wall. I think I'm gonna look for a rubber bumper or something as opposed to those spring-loaded door stops.
That I think it needs to come out a little bit. That's too much. That's too much. Just go ahead.
Wow.
Voila.
It pays to keep the spare parts, especially if you're gonna install it in a different door. You know, Talen moves very quickly.
I know he needs to slow down.
You gotta watch him. And he's very good at this. He can catch it as it falls. I wouldn't have caught it.
Need hardware for that now.
Oh, I got screws somewhere.
Yeah.
So it should be two sets. You get the first one, and then as you push up